Friday and I are up at the shop today, and we get to do the fun ones for the village. Got a whale and some other sea creature. A bunch of different coats of powder on here. Get to do the faces and all of that. So we're going to do black on the eyeball, white on the smile. The rest of this is going to go gray. Do them one at a time. Lots of custom masking, but should be a fun little project when it's all said and done. Lots of time lapse on this one. Well, it's been a long day at the shop, but whale is done. I did not do the clear coat, so we still got to do the final clear on whale, dolphin. I don't know what this is. The other one's in the oven. It's heavy duty cast, so it takes a little while to set up. We'll get that warm enough to gel out before we leave. And then clear the dolphin and the whale, or the whale and the dolphin, whatever the sea creatures are. Clear coat all of them. What else do we get done? Evo frame, chopper frame with gloss black mags, just a ton of gloss black, and then some race boat stuff. Well, 2 race boat things. This is all the gloss black stuff. So half of it's gloss black, half of it's gloss white, a bunch of trailer wheels and other doodads, but Dottie killed it today, so long Saturday. While everybody else is having fun and Mama tried. We're sitting here making whale faces.
Look how cute it's on. Looks way better than it did. Oh.
Everything's pretty much done on the animals, minus the clear coat, so way more work than I anticipated on some of these, just trying to vacuum and clean everything up. But we got a gray whale, black eye, white mouth, and a Ford light blue. Appreciate that they did Ford stuff though. Clear these tomorrow. Clear coat is done on the whales and dolphins and sea creatures. Pretty happy with it. Once these cool, I'll try and get one more clip. It'll probably make it into one of the shorts once I flip them over and put them back upright, but it came out cool. I got faces buried in 3 coats of powder, ready for some child abuse, if you will. Not making light jokes about that, but children are not nice to things on playgrounds, so there we have it. We'll wrap this one up. More on the chopper coming. Playing with this thing too, so we'll catch you guys on the next one.